In this video, I will show how to fix Windows 11 black and white screen error. So guys, to resolve and to fix this error, firstly click on Start. Then here click on Settings. Now, here guys, you have to click on this Accessibility. Click on Color Filters. Now, in Color Filter, make it off. So just guys, you need to slide this setting to off position. Now exit. Another setting you can try, Start and search here personalization. So click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And select here, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. Then apply, then click on OK. And another setting another setting. Click on personalization. Color and choose your mode. So select here light. Now exit and restart your system. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.